Hello everyone. Today we are actually going to draw this number 11 value stream. But before that, this last video we finished the organization view, like these 9 and 10 views. As we mentioned, this on every view drawing, we are now trying to document our modeling pattern. So even you see these are kind of complex, but when we draw this modeling pattern, what we did on the last two view is just like our using actor to map to the organization structure, and actor can have the composition to the upper organization. So here is one relation, and then we use the location as the geography of the company view. We have the aggregate, so the organization can belong to certain location. So that is if you see the location is like one company, then this you can see organization belong to company, or location is can also be our geography, region or market. So you can also have this market-based the organization. So we got this modeling pattern, and now we move to this number the 11 value stream. Value stream is a very important the business architecture the domain. So we just draw within this practice, but we may have more the practice in later view the videos to talk about the different aspect of the value stream. So they have a quite rich for the information we can talk about. First, let's go to this modeling. So we make this figure 11 value stream. Yeah, let's make the dates. So value stream is in the strategy and motivation. So we use these two. So we see here the outcome. So we already have this outcome for the ArchiSurance is the attractive insurance offer. So this is the starting point, because every value stream they must have our value proposition. So we use that as our outcome to be achieved, and this value outcome should serve related to the certain stakeholder. So here is the stakeholder, and we have this just our association parts. And then we have this value stream in the strategy layer. So the bigger one is we call this a value stream. Now we see this is acquired insurance product, but they include some the small part that we actually call this a value stage. You can consider that is step by step to realize the value, the stream you are going to achieve. So every stage we have the stepwise the value. So we connect this to have this acquire insurance product. We have 4 steps, stage by stage, and after first stage we realize our the first value. The finally, so we have this the motivation layers outcome. So that is the logic, and then we have this flow between this value stage. Actually, you can use the trigger as well and associate with the value. And value stream can compose by the different value stage. So let's do this quickly. So we create a folder like it's the value stream, and then we have the first create this one. So acquire insurance product. Just to try to distinguish the stream and the stage is my recommendation is you can create a same naming the folder, and under this folder you can create, because it's still using value stream notation. You can put this the value stage inside. So just also for yourself, the easier to identify, you can have this numbering when you create this. So because some value stream is they may have the complex value stage, so it's better is from the beginning of the model you can create some sequence just to give the audience some hints when they read. So manage policy and the claims. And the last one is serve customers. And finally is the value stream is influence. So we can also treat this as the influence the relation. So let's see. So we have this one, we drag here, and we use this influence with shift one. No, is from here is value stream to value stream. You don't have this influence. So what we can do is looks like is here is using the flow, not influence. But from the final the value stage, you are realized to here. So, but to me, is I think it's better. This one is not the just coming from the last stage. It's better is coming from this the value stream. So I would like to use this the top layer. So here we got the influence. And then we quickly do this flow and flow. So we have this. And then we have different value. So we put here in the motivation the layer. We don't have the value folder. So let's do this value. And also we can create this innovative insurance products as the first one. We have another 4 products offered and sold to the right customers. And then third one is products for according to customer expectations. Last one, high customer satisfaction. Actually, you can also link this one. You can see is that my last stage is actually make this trigger. So even it's kind of complex on the view, but it gave some better the relationship. So, and now you have this value stream, and you can put this here. So you can see on the default, this appearance is not using this notation, but you can change that. So you select all of them, and you select here a figure. So you can choose these two. So if I choose here, it's exactly like what these the case studies look here. And you can also select this form and make this appearance. You can see here, I put this text position into here, and then that's looks like. I don't change too much on the others, so it just looks like similar is okay. So now I drag this one. You can also change the figure to this one and put the appearance of text, the horizontal, the vertical in the middle. So innovation, innovative product. This is the last one, and this is the product. And then this we use the association. So this associate that, this associate that. So those. And you can put this both. So I put both. So that is the value stream. So it's quickly. So remember, it's value stream has 2 layers normally, but even is some you may not stop on here. You can have the value stage have further breaking down. But normally we have 2 layers is enough, and you have stakeholder, you have the final the outcome, and every step considers what are the value you are realizing through this value stage. So that's for this number 11. Let's talk about the capability mapping in the next video. Thank you for watching.